In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated number counter to your Wix website. It's a great way to showcase key statistics or figures dynamically, capturing the attention of your visitors and enhancing your website's overall engagement. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and click on the Login button. Once you're logged in, open up the website you want to add this feature to by selecting it from your sites list. Now that you're on your dashboard, you'll need to enter the Wix Editor, which is the heart of customizing your site. Simply click on Edit Site from the dashboard. This will take you straight to the Wix Editor, where all the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to add, customize, and refine elements for your web page. With the editor open, we want to add our number counter. You'll do this by selecting the plus add button, then navigating to Interactive, and finally click on Number Counter. Depending on the layout you're using, such as Wix Studio, you might prefer to use the search bar and type in counter. You can then drag and drop the number counter element to your desired spot on the page. After placing the counter, it's time to customize it to fit your website's theme. Click on the counter element and head over to the settings option. Here, you'll set the start and end numbers that the counter will animate between. This is great for showing growth figures, achievements, or milestones. Also important is the duration, where you define how long the animation will last. Adjust this carefully to ensure a smooth and engaging experience. Additionally, take some time to adjust the font, size, and color of the counter so it aligns perfectly with the rest of your site's design. To further enhance the clarity of what your numbers represent, consider adding labels or descriptions. Above or below the counter, integrate a text box. You could use examples like projects completed, happy clients, or years of experience to make sure your visitors understand the number's significance at a glance. Once you're satisfied with the setup, it's crucial to test how it looks in action. Click on the preview option at the top of the editor. This allows you to check the animated number counter, ensuring the animation starts smoothly as you scroll to its position on the page. Finally, everything looking good means it's time to go live. Simply hit that publish button, and just like that, your beautifully animated number counter is ready to be showcased to everyone visiting your site. Enjoy the enhanced interaction it brings and the professional touch it adds. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website building!